Welcome back to the channel. This is Unbox and Chill. We're here with another unboxing today, okay? We've got a Watch Gang Platinum watch to look at, and I will say at the top of the video, this is the best watch I've received. This is the best watch I've received from WatchGang.com. So, by far, bar none, this is the best watch they've ever put out. So stay tuned. We'll take a look at it, okay? I do want to say before we get into that, hit that subscribe button. And then also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. We are growing, which is nice to see. Be a part of this movement where we unbox cool stuff. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. Stick around. Hang out with me. Let me get my desk ready, okay? So, just to remind you guys real quick, okay? Watch Game is a platinum subscription service. I have to say this every time, guys. There are people who don't know. It does consist of 3 tiers. This right here is the top tier, so it's $2.99 a month. They send you out a watch. This watch was $299.99. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to see what that entails, okay? And, you know, again, to me, this is the best watch that Watch King's ever sent out. Looks wise, spec wise, I gotta say this is my favorite piece that I've ever that has ever come out of Watch Gang. So, let's jump into it. So we've got the black box. Okay, so obviously it came in a mailing box, but this is just a black box here. Oh, excuse me. I'll get down to the wristwatch check real quick first. This is a you've seen this before. This is a Batman's it's a Seiko turtle. This is a Batman Seiko turtle. Nice daily piece that I wear every day. So, but let's take a look and see what we got from Watch Gang. Okay, so we'll slide the box out here, and we've got the mesh on it and everything. All right, guys. So this is the Jerome LeMars. Okay, Jerome LeMars, or perhaps that's Jerome LeMars. I don't know. I don't know how you say that. But let's pop this open here. So we've got a turn lock on this, so it's locked. You've got to turn it to open it. That's interesting. Okay. So let's get the information here. So this is international warranty. Okay, so that's warranty information there. It's not really filled out, but you know. Okay. And let's get down to business here, as we've got the watch here on the pillow. So now this is a Jerome LeMars. This particular model is called the Chagall. Okay, or I hope I'm saying that correctly. It's a Chagall. Okay. But as you can see, it's got this nice black dial. Okay. You know, all of the lettering and markers on it are all in this nice yellow. So you've got this nice black and yellow situation going on here. Actually, this is black and yellow. This should be the real Batman. But anyway, we know black and blue is Batman. But this does have a Swiss movement, guys. This has a Swiss movement inside of it. It's got a Salida. We'll take a look at the specs. And then this also has a sapphire crystal here, and then also on the back, there's a display case back also with sapphire crystal as well. Okay, you've got this deployant clasp right here. You still got the plastic on this. You've got this deployant clasp. Overall, this is a very nice piece. My only real gripe about it is that it is not. You can pull this out. It does not have a screw down crown. So we'll have to see what the water resistance rating is on it. It does not have a screw down crown. You say, man, this is such a nice piece. It's heavy weighted. It's very heavy. It's got a, like I said, it's got top tier specs with the sapphire crystal, the Swiss Salida movement. You know, this bezel is very nice. I mean, everything about it is very nice. But it just doesn't have a screw down crown, which is very, very weird, very different. You know, because obviously, you know, it looks like a dive style watch. You know, you think you'd be able to take it into the ocean with you, but no, not at all. So, like I said, we'll see what the water resistance rating is. Maybe it's still halfway decent, even though it does not have a threaded crown. But no, like I said, you know, look at the sweep on that. Very nice piece here. Very nice piece. And I will say once again, I have to do it again. Easily the best piece that Watch Gang has put out is this particular piece, and I honestly believe in this particular color. again, are the best pieces that Watch Gang has put out. So we'll take a look at the website. We'll see the specs, and then we'll also see the other colors that this particular offering comes in. And then keep in mind, guys, this was $2.99 with Watch Gang. So Watch Gang Platinum. This was sent out for $2.99. Let's take a look at the specs real quick here as I pull it up, and then we'll pop it on the wrist, and we'll see what that is. We'll do things in kind of a different order here. So I'm pulling it up on my phone. So here we go right here. So we've got, that's the same watch. And keep in mind, this is the Chagall collection. So this is the colors that it kind of says. They have a, it looks like a blue with a lighter blue, or perhaps it's a black with a blue. Let's see. Actually, that looks like black with blue numbers. So then we've got the same thing here, but this has a blue background while the other one was black. We've got a white with a, kind of a blue bezel. We've got a nice green one here with green on green, like a light green on a darker green. That looks very nice too. And then you've got the one that I have, which I think looks the best in my personal opinion. So we'll go into that one and we'll check out the specs here. Okay, so once again, this is the Chagall collection. Okay, and then we'll take a look here. We'll bring it in. So there is we got a 45 millimeter case size. Okay, so keep in mind, I think it's a little bit on the bigger side, but as you guys should know by now, I'm a large guy. I've got big wrists, so it will look fine on me when we try it on here in a second. We've got a 24 millimeter lug width. I do like a nice wide band. Most bands are 22. So every now and again you find a watch that's 24, and I do like a nice 24 millimeter band, so that's very nice. I also have a sharp mesh band around here somewhere that's 24 millimeters that perhaps I can throw on there, but we'll take a look here. As you can see, there's that Solita movement. Okay, you've got cases 316L stainless steel. Okay, let's see here. That's also the bracelet 316L. Let's see, it's solid stainless. You've got sapphire crystal on the front and back. And let's see here. Okay, so you do have 100 meters water resistance. Okay, without the screw down crown. That's so that's what we got there. That's not bad for not having a screw down crown. But overall, guys, this Chagall is a nice piece. Let me try it on real quick. We'll pop it on the wrist. You guys can see what it looks like on my huge wrists. And keep in mind, this is 45 millimeters here. So this is a big boy. Okay, so we'll throw this on. We'll close up the clasp. Keep in mind this is unsized, and it already looks like from the jump here. Hold on, if I can get this closed here. Bear with me, guys. This happens in real time. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna go off camera for 1 second. There we go. Okay, so we got her snapped shut, guys. So I'm gonna have to go through and size it. But I can say right off the bat, I'm probably gonna have to remove at least 2 of these links. So that's how much space I have left over. And there it is on the wrist, guys. Look at that nice smooth sweep. Let's remove the, oh, here we go. Let's remove this, here we go. This plastic here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Very nice piece. Very well made. Feels very sturdy. I'm excited to wear this daily, guys. Look at that sweep. Very nice. Very nice movement. Very nice piece. Very well made. I appreciate you guys stopping in. Thank you so much for checking this out. If you could do me a huge favor, be the cool guy who hits that subscribe button, and then also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. So that, we can grow here, okay? I appreciate you stopping in. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Stick around for more unboxings. Got more stuff coming up later in the week, guys. Thank you so much.